Are you curious about the benefits of ghee for weight gain and weight loss? Let's explore how this staple in Indian cuisine can play a role in both weight gain and weight management. Ghee is calorie-dense, providing about 120 calories per tablespoon. For individuals aiming to gain weight or those with high energy requirements, incorporating ghee into their diet can contribute to a caloric surplus, essential for weight gain. It's a source of saturated fats, which can be beneficial for weight gain when consumed mindfully. Ghee contains medium-chain fatty acids, which are easily digestible and are believed to be metabolized more efficiently than long-chain fatty acids. This may support weight loss by promoting a faster metabolic rate. Additionally, ghee has a higher smoke point compared to many vegetable oils, making it a healthier alternative for cooking and promoting weight loss by supporting overall health. While ghee can be beneficial, it's essential to consume it in moderation. Be mindful of portion sizes and pair it with vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains for a wholesome and nutritious diet. Make sure you consume pure ghee only and enjoy its rich, nutty aroma and distinct, pleasant taste.